What's going on, YouTube? I'm on my way to my friend's house. He's gonna help me weld this piece. If you can see, let me take this plastic off. If you can see, my crank broke off of here. See, this goes into that tube right there. It comes out the top. What happened is, where's that? This piece broke off. So, and this is the piece that cranks. What happened was I went up in somebody's driveway and it scraped it. But luckily I strapped that handle up so it didn't fall off while I was driving. When I got home to undo it, it just fell apart. So now I'm going over to my friend's house to see if he can weld it for me. And get to it. Alright, got it all welded up. This thing looks good as new. Got a little Rust-Oleum on there. I'm just about to put it back together. See how it cranks. Alright, got it installed. Got that bad boy cranking as good as new. Good to go. I have to do this while filming, but get the point.